I don't think the box will fit that hose, it's too close. Is that the right size?
No, I'm gonna go with one bigger.
Would you put that up above so it doesn't fall through that?
Should I scrape something here, or oh, I see. Oh, I see it already. He's got 2 lines right there. Do you see?
Okay, yep, I see them. Good. Now that hose is pretty much going to hold it in place. So I may have to get a screwdriver to undo the clamp on the transmission cooler so we can rotate it up or down to get that plate off the back of the antifreeze cooler. Now there's no water rushing out because it ran out the front already. And because the front is lower than the back, that's why all the water's gone.